cabin crew be seated for landing.
Oh, this is our luggage. Air-conditioned taxi waiting. What's wrong? Dinner time! We bought gourmet food. Everything was closed, so that's why we bought the noodles. Well, it's fake. It's not even noodles. It's fake pasta, so I don't think it's gonna taste amazing. And we got some crisps. We found one place that was open, but it was like he didn't really want to serve us. Oh, well, let me give you a room tour. The bathroom. This is moi. Are you eating without me? Look at this person. Storage area, safe, all that. Tea and coffee facilities. There's a fridge here which is empty, but they made us pay a deposit. Like, well, there's no minibar. Why are we paying a deposit? And then this is the bed. It looks really comfortable. This is where he does all of his work. Where's your computer? And then this is kind of like mirrored glass. And this is a seating area, but we've chucked all of our junk on it. When you're so hungry that anything tastes good. It actually tastes really good to me right now. How's yours, babe? You wanna try mine? A mushroom one and mine's broccoli. We both prefer our own ones, but I feel like this is just making me more hungry now. I literally demolished the packet of crisps. I think I gave him like 5. Oh yeah, I've got some of the Twix that I bought from the plane. It's so bright you can't even see anything. So this is where we stayed last night. It was quite a big step. How is it? Is it warm? We stayed here last night because we had problems with our hotel. On our way back to the hotel now, I think they're going to give us an upgrade to say sorry. And I think that one is our room. I stayed here before like 5 years ago. He doesn't really care. He doesn't really like it. I love it here. It's really peaceful. Look at my face.
What do you mean look?
No sleep. Look at my eyes. You can hear the rustling in the background. We've just been to the pharmacy to get some drugs for my flu. I'm not sure what this bit is. Back to the house. Take the shoes off. So we're gonna pack. We just bought like a couple of bags with us and we left our suitcases in the other hotel. Abel somehow accidentally locked our things in the safe. So we're waiting for someone to come and help us with that. Oh, let me show you the balcony. Yeah. So we had coffee earlier. Well, I had lemsip, he had coffee. This is the view of the pool from up. Oh, they're like actual rooms with pool views. These ones are actual villas. Love it. It's so peaceful. I love the sound of the water. This is the bedroom with all of our crap. Why are you vlogging? Breakfast time. So what did you order?
Mango lassi. It's got almonds, cream.
It's nice.
Creamy, almondy.
Creamy and almondy. I got cappuccino with almond milk. I got the Vietnamese eggs with chicken and Vietnamese sausage. How cool is it? You can hold on. So we're going about 10-15 minutes away. Where do you want me to throw it? Are you going to dive? Can I throw it in the middle? Yeah. Did it hit your nose? Cállate, tío. Can I try again? Bye.
A few moments later.
So we've got our new room. They've given us a suite, so I can show you around. So we've got a kitchen Also got table. They've put our luggage in for us. TV, sofa area, and then there's a bed behind. We've got a balcony with some sun loungers. I think I'm more excited about the balcony. I would say this is probably like 5 times the size as the other room. In the bathroom, there's a bath. Oh my god. Yes, and there's bath salts. This is perfect for me because in the last place I spent about 2 hours in the bath topping up the water, so I was so achy.
I don't think you should talk with that.
So finally we can get settled. We had a bit of bad luck with hotels and stuff. In Singapore they put us on the smoking floor, and I've got asthma and I've got the flu at the moment, so it was just not good. And then the room that we had here, which is literally next door, there was damp all over the wall, so that just affected me even more. As you saw before, we had to go to another hotel for the night because they were fully booked here, and to compensate they've given us this suite to say sorry because we kind of lost a whole day of a holiday. They refunded us the money from yesterday, but then we had to use the money to find another place and pay for a taxi. So now we can finally get settled. We're gonna go and get a bike and then get some food. Todo bien? No sticky rice? You're the cry.
To Thailand only for this.
He's obsessed with mango sticky rice. So this morning I'm feeling a bit better with all the medicine that I've been taking. So I think we're going to get on the bike and explore. And we've just had like the most amazing breakfast. We watched the sunrise. Oh, here he is with more food. He's had about 3 plates already. Ay, mi gordito. ¿Por qué no?
With the
Jam. Banana jam coconut with some sesame seeds, watermelon, and I think that's papaya. He's gone again. I think he's gone to get more food. I think he gets a bit overexcited with buffets. The last time we came to Thailand, sometimes we'd have like 4 plates. I'm not much of a breakfast person. I don't tend to feel hungry like first thing in the morning, but I come for him. But this morning, because of all the medicine I'm taking, I woke up like ready. At least I slept a bit. Yesterday I had a nap between 5 and 10. And then from midnight to 6. So I finally caught up on some sleep, which I think is the main reason for making me feel better, as well as the medicine. So yeah.
One eternity later.
My baby estamos en Singapur.
I can't remember the last time that we vlogged, can you? basically a lot happened, but there's not much footage in between because I wasn't feeling great. So we're in a completely different country and we're going home tomorrow, which sucks. So we're just trying to do... Sorry, are you even filming me?
Tranquila.
So we're just trying to do as much as possible in a short space of time. We've got the whole day tomorrow, but we're on standby. Oh, it's Casey. And legend has it that this is where the famous blah 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 happens. We just never know anything, we just turn up like, yo, this looks nice. Do you want to get on one of the boats? Yeah.
Where are you going?
I know the answer to that. You met my boyfriend there. He likes to ask me questions because he thinks I know everything, but I don't know anything.
You see? Hello guys, Reenie here. Oh, look.
What's that in the background?
No.
Should we take a selfie? Waiting for Bay, like, are you filming me? Why does it look so much brighter the lower you hold it?
Will you go the light from here in the face?
We're going to try and get to the other side so we can see the gardens at Marina Bay Sands. I think he wants to eat something. We've good Starbucks.
Starbucks to eat.
Well, it's late. It's better than 7-Eleven. Well, I had a nap. I think it was supposed to be half an hour, but I think he let me sleep a bit longer, which was nice. Apparently I was snoring. We woke up at 6 o'clock in Phuket and we had to leave the hotel at 7. A long transfer to the airport. We stayed about an hour away. So we've been travelling all day, haven't we? Hello?
Yeah.
My take on this is it looks like something out of Avatar. Wow. Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Reenie.
What's up here, Reenie?
Popping our squad.
We just woke up and we thought, oh, let's have a walk around.
No, not we. I thought let's chill by the pool because we got a late checkout till 3. Our flight's not till 10:50, and then we can have a look around later because we've both been here before, so we've seen quite a bit. And he's like, let's go to the botanical gardens. It's only a 20-minute walk. Well, it's a 20-minute walk if it's not hot and humid. Man's not hot.
I tell her man's not hot, never hot. The girl told me take off your jacket. I said babe, man's not hot, never hot.
We got back to the hotel at 2 o'clock in the morning. We walked from 10:30 to 2, so my feet are actually still really sore.
And we had dinner.
We had room service.
Good in the morning.
Yeah, it was pretty nice. Wonton.
Hot dinner.
It was delish. So still tired from last night basically, and then we've come out into the heat of the day. because it's cloudy here, you don't really feel it. How's this idea going? Oh, helado. Should we get ice cream? Here. This is the view. Flight is overbooked tonight. We're going on my standby, obviously. So we're not sure if we're going to get home. But I'm not really that bothered because it's snowing. I'm not one for nature, let's be honest. I'm a Londoner. I didn't grow up in surroundings like this. And I've got hay fever, so normally somewhere like this is my idea of hell. But somehow, I'm not sneezing, I'm not dying, and it's just...
Cured.
Oh, cured, I wish.
You saw them in your book.
Yeah, I was going to say, thanks for carrying it for me, babe.
What is that?
By the way, for those who don't know my boyfriend, he likes to ask a million questions. He thinks I know the answers to everything. I don't know.
The one in
I should be quite
the one
flattered
in
to be.
China.
He's like, what's this? Why is that there? How is this? Why?
If there's something.
Yeah. Look how many fish. Oh, that one's massive. Oh, I guess it goes under to here. But that was just the wall. There's another big one.